Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a Mastercard gift card that's not working in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is a common issue, but with a few simple steps, you can get it sorted out quickly and get back to spending. I'm going to walk you through everything in a straightforward way, so let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking the basics. Inspect your card for any physical damage like scratches or bends, as this can prevent it from being read at terminals or online. If it looks okay, the next step is to ensure your card is activated. Many gift cards require activation through the issuer's website or a phone call. Head to the Mastercard website or the site of the card's issuer, enter the card details, and follow the prompts to activate it if you haven't already. Once activated, verify the balance. Sometimes, cards aren't working because the balance is zero or there's an error in the system. Log into your account online or use the Mastercard app. It's super easy in 2025 with all the updated digital tools. If the balance is there but the card still won't work, try it at different locations or merchants to rule out POS system glitches. If that doesn't help, contact customer support. Reach out to Mastercard or the gift card provider via their helpline or chat support. Have your card number ready, and explain the issue clearly. They can check for holds, fraud flags, or expiration dates. Speaking of which, double-check the card's expiration. Some cards from previous years might not be valid anymore in 2025. Lastly, make sure you're using the card correctly. For online purchases, enter the details exactly as they appear, and for in-store use, ensure the chip or magnetic strip is being read properly. If all else fails, consider getting a replacement through the issuer. There you have it. Simple steps to fix your Mastercard gift card. I hope this helps you out. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.